Hello everyone and welcome to the best crypto channel ever. We are going to try our best to give you the most important news and novelty regarding crypto. Please follow us, we will be uploading daily. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market is Bitcoin, but the second most important and valuable coin is the Ethereum. This coin is not just making the buzz. This coin is becoming one of the most important on the crypto market. All the buzz that you are witnessing is deserved. Nonetheless, this coin has its own flaws and imperfections, but as you may notice, no one is really talking about it. We are going to try to analyze the opinion of the highest and biggest experts in this field, about Ethereum particularly. This coin was growing amazingly, and suddenly we saw a little bit of downfall. In this video you are going to find out everything about Ethereum that no one tells you about. If you're following the crypto markets, you probably remember the all-time high of the Ethereum. Just a month ago this altcoin was trading for more than $4,300. This was really promising for this coin to take over even the first place, to take over the legend Bitcoin. After the serious fell of the Bitcoin, Ethereum went down as well. We have seen downfall of all cryptocurrencies, and we saw Bitcoin breaking the down margin of $40,000. After that big fell we have seen a little bit of recovery, but not on the same level that it was month ago. Ethereum soared above $2,500. Lately this coin is trading in the range of $2,500 and $2,800. This is not very good considering the fact that this coin was 50% bigger just 30 days ago. Most of the traders and Ethereum owners were raising a very reasonable question. What is going on with Ethereum coin? And what is going to happen with Ethereum from this point on? The first question is a very logical one. The market is in its bearish performance, and most of the altcoins, including Ethereum, are going down. Lately maybe we can say that they're stable enough, but they are not reaching the level that they were 30 days ago. Some say that even there are signs of capitulation. According to the most of the experts, this is something that we have seen in the market in the previous years. The prices that are going below its support level might be problematic for the owners at the moment. This is also reflected in the owners' behavior, and we are able to see that some of them are panicking and selling the Ethereum. If you compare the charts from the previous years, you're going to see that dips like this are almost always followed by rises, and especially rises in the new all-time highs. What is important to know is to see if the most important players of the market are heading out as a result of capitulation. What we have seen as well is that some of the big owners are already considering the possibility to retract their own investments. That is not very good sign in general, but doesn't have to mean anything price-wise. For the sake of truth, we got to say that we have seen that Ethereum has stable position at the moment, but we cannot see bigger volume in trade. That is not the best sign as well. We can also notice that the amount of circulation of Ethereum is slowing down constantly from June till today. According to most of the sources, we saw a drop for 1/2 in the last month. The analysis are showing that the first signs of bearish in Ethereum are seen in April 2020. These are not very good signs for a new investors in Ethereum token. Maybe that is why we can see a slowing down in their market capitalization and trading volumes. Of course, not everything is so bad about Ethereum token. We can see that their ecosystem is very stable and strong, and they have one of the most stable investors that have a lot of money. This was giving a certain amount of security and safety among the smaller investors, but according to most of the analysis that might not be the case anymore. Finally, does that mean that the price is going to continue falling? No one can tell you that with certainty, but anyone considering investing in Ethereum should be very careful. Although we can say for certainty that the next few months might be very good for Ethereum. In the last couple of days, we can see that the market is recovering a lot. We have seen some altcoins going even hundreds of percent up, and this is something that was every day's normality just a month ago. Now you can say that this recovery will last in the next 2 months maybe, and this might be the chance for earning some money. Also, we have to be fair. Ethereum fell around 39% and Bitcoin more than 40%. Why we are seeing this? Because when there is a plunge in the crypto market, USU ally the altcoins are falling more than the Bitcoin itself. This time we saw something else. Bitcoin fell maybe the most. This is a very good indicator that tells us that Ethereum could even outrun Bitcoin in the next couple of months. Despite all the bad news that are coming with Ethereum, this coin has a very solid foundation, and can be potentially the best cryptocurrency out there. Nobody can speculate with the prices, but you can see the trends of some coin. Most of the experts are agreeing that the fundamentals of Ethereum are far stronger than the one on Bitcoin. This can be decisive in narrowing the gap between these two coins. The market capitalization of the Ethereum was around 500 billion. That was the same amount of Bitcoin in December 2020. What we might see is rising on the whole system of Ethereum. The DeFi is the fastest growing subsector in the Ethereum ecosystem. Decentralized finance or DeFi helped the system of Ethereum grow much more than the one of Bitcoin. DeFi as a system will not be slowing down. During this period of high falls, we have seen that the DeFi as a system was much stronger, and most of the coins into this system were a lot more stable than the ones that were not in that system. Decentralized finance, commonly referred to as DeFi, is a blockchain-based form of finance that does not rely on central financial intermediaries such as brokerages, exchanges, or banks to offer traditional financial instruments, and instead utilizes smart contracts on blockchains, the most common being Ethereum. DeFi platforms allow people to lend or borrow funds from others, speculate on price movements on a range of assets using derivatives, trade cryptocurrencies, insure against risks, and earn interest in savings-like accounts. DeFi uses a layered architecture and highly composable building blocks. Some DeFi applications promote high interest rates. Thankfully to the whole network of Ethereum, we can see that this coin is a little bit stronger even than the Bitcoin itself. We can see that the foundation of Ethereum is stable and now is even stronger with all the network that has around it. What we have seen from this bearish market is that when the Bitcoin went down, Ethereum went down as well, but not so much. Also, what we have seen was when Bitcoin went up, Ethereum went up even more. This is very promising for the ones that are owning Ethereum, and they for sure can expect some return in the couple of months. This is something that yet to be analyzed, because if this is happening, we are witnessing turnover in the crypto market. We might be the ones that are witnessing victory of Ethereum over Bitcoin. Also, what is worth mentioning is that Ethereum is backed up by many institutions with a lot of investments. We have seen companies with a lot of money investing in the Ethereum system. We have seen also a huge change in the Ethereum-Bitcoin ratio. All these indicators are telling us that the market is changing. According to that, you should change probably as well. You should follow the market. And for what we have seen now, Ethereum is going to triumph. As we mentioned earlier, no one can tell you the exact price, but you can predict the patterns if you are able to see the movements. So, is it worth investing in Ethereum? These questions can be answered only with a lot of analysis, and it's depending from case to case. Of course, any investment can be calculated with a caution, and should be subject of a deep analysis. The price of Ethereum might go up or even down, but the possibility for Ethereum to become the #1 cryptocurrency on the market is very high. It is highly unlikely to predict the time when this is going to happen, but it is possible to predict the possibility. And this possibility is very high at the moment. Of course, all of this is just the subject of huge debate in the crypto market. All your opinions are welcome, and if you have one, you should leave it in the comments. If you are crypto enthusiast, you probably know what is best for you. But always a good advice is that you should follow the news about cryptocurrencies. We are not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You should not buy, sell, trade, or invest in any asset based on what we say in these videos. You should know that investing carries extreme risks. You could lose your entire investment. This is not trading advice, and we are in no way liable for any losses incurred. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a good luck.